Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 9K Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D Printer is a high-performance device designed for detailed and precise 3D printing. It features a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD screen that delivers ultra-high resolution, enabling intricate print details and smoother surface finishes. This printer supports a maximum printing speed of 150 mm per hour, making it notably faster than many resin printers in its class. One of the standout features of the Mars 5 Ultra is its smart automatic leveling system, which simplifies setup and ensures consistent print quality by accurately calibrating the build platform. The printer also comes with intelligent detection technology that monitors printing status and helps prevent print failures, enhancing reliability. Connectivity is modern and convenient with built-in Wi-Fi transfer capabilities, allowing users to send print files wirelessly from their computers or mobile devices. The printer supports a decent build volume of 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.49 inches, approximately 153 by 77.7 by 165 millimeters, suitable for a wide range of models, from miniatures and prototypes to functional parts. Overall, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D printer is designed for users who need high-resolution, fast, and reliable resin printing. Its advanced features like 9K resolution, smart leveling, and wireless connectivity make it an excellent choice for hobbyists, professionals, and anyone looking to upgrade their resin 3D printing experience. The compact size and precise print quality cater well to detailed artistic models and functional prototypes alike. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer with Autobed Leveling. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a versatile FDM 3D printer designed to deliver high-quality prints with ease and efficiency. It boasts a large build volume of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, providing ample space for printing bigger models or multiple smaller parts in one go. This makes it well suited for hobbyists and professionals who require a reliable printer for a variety of projects. One of the key features of the Neptune 3 Pro is its autobed leveling system, which simplifies the setup process and ensures a perfectly leveled print bed for improved adhesion and print accuracy. This reduces the chances of print failures caused by uneven beds, especially beneficial for beginners and those looking for hassle-free printing. The printer uses a dual-geared direct extruder, enhancing filament grip and extrusion consistency. This setup supports a wide range of filament types, including flexible materials, thanks to its robust and precise feeding mechanism. Additionally, the dual lead screw drive system improves the stability and smoothness of the Z-axis movement, resulting in finer layer resolution and more precise prints with less wobble. The Neptune 3 Pro features a removable capacitive touchscreen that offers an intuitive and responsive user interface. The screen can be detached for convenient placement and easier access during printing. Overall, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro stands out as a powerful, user-friendly 3D printer that balances size, precision, and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking dependable and high-quality 3D printing performance. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for users who need large-scale printing combined with speed and precision. It offers a massive build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters, approximately 88 liters, allowing for the creation of very large models or multiple smaller parts simultaneously. This large printing area is ideal for professionals, educators, and serious hobbyists working on demanding projects. One of the standout features of the Kobra 2 Max is its incredibly fast maximum printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, which significantly reduces print times without sacrificing quality. This speed is paired with advanced motion control and vibration compensation technologies that ensure smooth, detailed, and high-quality prints despite the fast movement. The printer also includes an automatic bed leveling system with a smart Z-offset adjustment that ensures the first layer adheres perfectly, improving print success rates and overall quality. This system helps compensate for any bed unevenness and vibrations during printing, maintaining consistent layer accuracy. In addition to its large volume and speed, the Kobra 2 Max is equipped with features to enhance usability and reliability, such as a user-friendly touchscreen interface, filament runout detection, and power recovery options. The combination of its robust hardware, precise leveling system, and high-speed capabilities makes the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable, efficient, and large-format 3D printer for professional and creative applications. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is a high-resolution resin 3D printer tailored for detailed and precise printing tasks. It features a 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, delivering exceptional print clarity and finer details compared to lower-resolution models. This advanced screen enhances printing accuracy, producing smooth surfaces and intricate designs, ideal for miniatures, jewelry prototypes, and complex models. Equipped with Anycubic's stable light turbo light source technology, the Photon Mono 4 ensures even and consistent UV exposure, which improves curing efficiency and overall print quality. This stable light source helps reduce print defects such as layer inconsistencies and warping. The printer supports a fast printing speed of up to 70 mm per hour, making it one of the quicker options among resin printers, balancing speed and precision. This efficiency enables users to complete high-detail prints in shorter times without compromising quality. The build volume of the Photon Mono 4 is 6.04 x 3.42 by 6.49 inches, 153 by 87 by 165 mm, offering a practical size for detailed prints while fitting comfortably in most workspaces. It's suitable for hobbyists, professionals, and creators who need reliable and sharp resin prints. Overall, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is a compact, user-friendly resin printer that excels in high-resolution output and fast print times. Its combination of 10K resolution, stable light source, and efficient printing speed makes it a solid choice for anyone looking to produce finely detailed resin models with precision and speed. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D Printer, 2024 new version, is a cutting-edge FDM printer designed for users seeking ultra-fast, high-performance 3D printing. It boasts an impressive maximum printing speed of up to 600 mm per second, making it one of the fastest printers available on the market. This rapid speed enables significantly reduced print times without sacrificing print quality. A standout feature of the K1C is its capability to support high-temperature filaments, including carbon fiber composites, thanks to its hot end that can reach up to 300 degrees Celsius. This expands the range of materials users can print with, enabling the creation of durable, strong, and lightweight parts suitable for engineering, prototyping, and functional applications. The printer includes an auto-leveling system, which simplifies setup and ensures consistent first-layer adhesion for improved print accuracy and reduced failure rates. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who want a hassle-free printing experience. Additionally, the Creality K1C uses a clog-free direct extruder designed to provide smooth and reliable filament feeding. This design reduces filament jams and enhances the printer's ability to handle flexible and specialty filaments with greater ease. Overall, the Creality K1C 2024 edition combines ultra-fast printing speeds, support for advanced high-temperature materials, and user-friendly features like auto-leveling and a clog-free extruder. This makes it an excellent choice for enthusiasts, engineers, and professionals who demand speed, versatility, and reliability in their 3D printing projects.